Nothing is in the chamber. Let's see what it do, baby. Headshot. All clear. Nothing's in the chamber. Y'all check this out. Check it out. I'll even let you see the target. I'm gonna let you see it. I told you it was headshots. All of this, that was empty. This is from earlier. Yeah, it serves its purpose, baby. Y'all know what this is. The Witness, Gersan 2311. I was shooting with the 20-round magazine. That's what it looked like. Right? I also was using the Prodigy magazine and the Staccato magazine. And I'm just up here shooting this one just to compare with the recoil. Now I wasn't paying attention to the recoil, and I wasn't holding on to it tight. But y'all let me know, leave in the comments how the recoil was. All right. This is only June. I was in a safe environment here at the range. Like and subscribe. Let's get to it.